Researchers have developed a new algorithm capable of identifying features of male zebra finch songs that may underlie the distinction between a short phrase sung during courtship and the same phrase sung in a non-courtship context. They may sing the same sequence of syllables during courtship interactions with females as when singing alone, but with subtle modifications. However, humans cannot detect these differences, and it was not clear that female zebra finches could, either. For the new study, Woolley and colleagues first conducted behavioral experiments demonstrating that female zebra finches are indeed highly adept at discriminating between short segments of male songs recorded in courtship versus non-courtship settings. Next, they sought to expand on earlier studies that have focused on just a few specific song features that may underlie the distinction between courtship and non-courtship song. Taking a bottom-up approach, the researchers extracted over 5,000 song features from recordings and trained an algorithm to use those features to distinguish between courtship and non-courtship song phrases. It also made predictions about the distinction capabilities of female zebra finches that aligned well with the results of the behavioral experiments. These findings highlight the potential for bottom-up approaches to reveal acoustic features important for communication and social discrimination. They also hope to evaluate how well their findings might generalize to courtship and non-courtship songs in other species. Story source. Materials provided by PLOS. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.